let's make bath bombs from the new DIY Fizz and Flow bath bomb kit from Simply Earth. I am making the Moonlit Dream fizzy bath bomb recipe with the Sweet Dreams recipe or essential oil. So I have gotten everything all mixed together and I am going to work rapidly this time. If you saw my last video, you would know that I waited a little too long and my bath bombs got a little more dried out. And as you can see, if you do it quickly, it works out really well. So everything you need to make these bath bombs is in the kit. You would just need to add baking soda and cornstarch from your own pantry. That you even get the colors that come with this. I am going to get these set and then we're going to decorate them as well. And I think I might even get more than 3 bath bombs out of this one. But each kit makes 3 bath bombs and they smell really good. So you would want to use this at night before bed because of the essential oils that are in them. And yeah, so okay, that one just fell apart. Okay, I had enough for my 3 bath bombs. I had a little bit left over from both bath bomb recipes, so I have like a half a bath bomb here. This one, because it is called the Moonlit Dream Fizzy Bath Bomb, I have some pretty mica powders that I can use to splash on here to give them sort of that like starry night thing appearance. So it'll soak in. I have some indigo and I have some really pretty yellow, and you can actually wait until it's dry. They need to sit 24 to 48 hours so that they dry and hold their shape. And you can actually wait to do this, but I want to show you what you can do now. One of the suggestions was that you use a paintbrush, and I have paintbrushes, but they're for watercolors, so I didn't really want to use them on bath bombs. I do have a basting brush, and you could use that as well, but I didn't feel like washing it. So use your creativity and just make them real pretty. So this is just mica powder and a little bit of almond essential oil. So again, this is the DIY Fizz and Flow bath bomb kit from Simply Earth. You get 6 bath bombs. You get everything you need to make this, except you will need to provide cornstarch and baking soda. You get the essential oils. You get the mica powder. You get like full containers of mica powders. So you can use these for other things that you're going to make down the road. Let's see. They're super easy. Fun for kids, because think about it, after 2 days, then you put the kids in the bath, you put the bath bomb, give them a bath bomb, it fizzes up, it's fun, it smells great. Again, these are great for bath time because it's with the Sweet Dreams essential oil. Ultimately, you can make these with any essential oils you want. This is up to you how you want to do it. This is your recipe base, and you can just make it any way you want to. If you want a relaxing one for after work that doesn't include the Sweet Dreams, you want something with citrus, it's up to you. You are the master of your creations. So I hope that you enjoyed this. And again, the DIY Fizz and Flow Bath Bomb Kit from Simply Earth. I will leave you a link and a 10% code below. if you have questions, leave them below as well. It's been great seeing you again today. Have a good one.